Yo, yo, yo! Yo, yo, yo! This is Charlie Jose and you're watching another episode of UpStreamCharlie. In today's episode, we'll be doing another unboxing, testing, and review of a Bluetooth speaker. It's a portable speaker coming from the Suntex Flagship Store in Lazada. Yes, again, we're going to test another model of a Bluetooth speaker coming from the Suntex Flagship Store from the Suntex Group. And the model today that we're going to review is the KBQ 605 from the Suntex Apollo Classic Portable Wooden Speaker family. Now, before we start, I just want to say that this series of models coming from the Suntex team, the Suntex Apollo Classic. If you're an avid buyer of Lazada, you will see in their Suntex flagship store that these KBQ models are fast moving. It means that they're selling like hotcakes. From last month when I saw them posted these different types of very colorful, and they also have wooden, by the way. They have this very colorful graphic designs on these KBQ models. So I managed to purchase the KBQ 605 because when I was a kid during the 80s, the boombox was the thing for us. We have a cassette tape or cassette tapes, and then you have dual cassette tape players on your boombox, so you could carry it around in the city, or if you have some dance practice in your school. So the boombox was the go-to music player back then. So back then it was like the JVC and the Sony, especially here in the Philippines. It's always and has been your go-to was the Sony brand. Everybody trusts the Sony brands way back then. So without further ado, I'm gonna take the KBQ 605 out now. This is the KBQ 605 model from Suntex. Okay, so let's check the box. So it's this time it's a very colorful box. Unlike the Apollo Supreme series, this one they made it really colorful. I guess because of the colorful designs that they chose, the multiple graphic designs that they implemented in this model, the KBQ models. I think that's the one that attracted majority of the buyers of this model, the KBQ, in Lazada. Now, who doesn't want to have a very colorful speaker or a boombox? Or they even have another KBQ that's for karaoke. Okay, it also has a two speaker, and it stands vertically. So, but I'm an 80s guy, so I love boombox. So this is my first boombox that I bought for myself. Before we start unboxing, I'm just gonna read to you some information about this product. So I bought this at around 299 pesos plus delivery. It has wooden design and of course the colorful designs. Okay, so I bought the model 2. The unit dimension is 33 by 13 by 17 centimeters, and the weight is almost 1 kilo. It's just 0.9 kilograms. Okay, the Bluetooth is version 5, so it's the latest Bluetooth. When it comes to the speakers, it has two 3-watt speakers. So the 3-watt speakers, the size you will see, because it's not covered by any grill, it's around 3 inches in diameter, and the battery is only 500 milliamps. So that's why it's the cost is around 299 only, because I guess the battery specs helps in reducing the cost. Okay, but again, the battery is only 500 milliamps. Okay, it has again Bluetooth, it has AUX, it has mini USB charging port, and then TF, and then what else? And of course FM mode. So what are we waiting for? Let's do some unboxing. check it out. Okay. So here's the cable. You have this cable, and this cable is a white cable, white cord. So it has the USB, and it has the aux cable. Okay. So this is the pin for the aux, and this is for the charging. Okay. So this one goes to the micro USB port, and then it comes with the user manual, and this is the unit itself. So let's see the aesthetics. Again, this is supposed to be made of wood, so I cannot see that, but I'm just gonna go with it based on their advertising. So this is their KBQ 605. It has orange graphics, orange and yellow graphics with dancing silhouettes of people. Okay. So again, it has 3-inch speakers, two 3-watt speakers, no grills, it's open, and you have also here is when you turn it on, it does some flashing, and on top is your usual suspect. As I mentioned, this is the power on, power off switch, and then you have the USB port, and then you have the TF slot, and you have the volume control here, and you could also skip files from here and pause and play. Okay, so check that out. Of course, it comes with the handle, so like any other boomboxing that you do. So at the back, there's also an exhaust. Okay, it's no diaphragm, but it's just an exhaust. Okay, there's nothing on the sides, and there's nothing on the bottom except some 4 rubber stoppers or foam stoppers. Okay, another feature that it has a phone holder. So you can see, so if you're gonna play some Bluetooth, it's all good. Or if you plan to watch Netflix, you just place it here, and then you're also good. Okay, so let's do some music.
Bluetooth mode.
So we're now connected. It's now paired with the device. Let's check this one from Mocha, Funky Hip Hop by Mocha. let's try using this one. So I'm gonna use the aux. Usually when you use the aux, it's much louder than the Bluetooth method, okay, or the Bluetooth mode. This one is a bit unorthodox because they combined the connection of the charger with the aux input. In fact, I have another speaker which is the T-Wolf model, so watch out for that. So I'm gonna use this because it doesn't have any aux output.
FM mode.
Okay.
Thunder, feel the thunder. AUX mode.
Okay, I've been trying to figure it out how to use this Y cable that's going out as a charger slash aux cable, and I've discovered that you need to press this a little bit longer. This is actually also the mode where the volume increases and decreases, and you could also skip on the files. So it has three functions: volume, control, skipping files, and also the mode. So the mode, basically you press it longer like this.
Bluetooth mode.
So it's in Bluetooth.
FM mode. AUX mode.
So now we're in AUX mode, and I'm going to play again a music coming from the Trap Wolves channel. There you go. Okay, let's do some verdict. It's verdict time. So what's my remarks? What's my comment about this KBQ 605 from Suntex? We've done the testing. With regards to the sound, I could say it's a 5 stars. It can take on some bass bass music or bass sound. As you can see, when we played some trap music, I was waiting for some heavy bass to come in. It took in the heavy bass, but again, it's not super bass that we hear. But for this price point of 299 pesos, I'll take it. Okay, so it's a buy. Okay, thumbs up to Suntex. This is actually better. Believe it or not, it's better than the Apollo Supreme Power. Okay, it could match the Apollo Supreme X, and it's definitely better than the Apollo Supreme Pro and just the Apollo Supreme, the basic model. So this one is better actually, but it depends on your trip because not everybody likes the boombox style. They also have several models that are vertically inclined. They also have a model with only one speaker that's almost a little bit lower price than this one at less than 299. But this one is 299 pesos and it works perfectly fine. I believe the sound that was generated was due to the wooden body. It's not plastic. So you could see if you use wooden frames or wooden body and not plastic, it produces better sound quality. Try to imagine that this is only 3-watt speakers. Two 3-watt speakers at 3 inches in diameter, and it produces very, very good music. This is a buy. Thank you very much for watching this episode of the KBQ 605 from the Suntex team. So again, thank you very much for watching this episode and see you next week for another product unboxing and product review. Bye-bye!